Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install Visual Studio Code in a Windows 11 laptop or computer. So for this you have to search for the Visual Studio Code download in a Chrome browser or the browser you are going to prefer. Then in the first option you have to click on it, and here you will get lots of options. For example, here you will get the option of downloading in Mac, here you will get the option of downloading in Linux, and here you will get the option of Windows. So you can simply click on it, the Windows, and after that it will ask for the download path that you would like to install in that file, and you have to select that file. After that it will take some time, and then it will simply install your simply download your installation file, and you can simply click on that file. After that you have to simply install it by following the process by clicking on next. Since I have already downloaded it, after that you have to go to the Visual Studio Code. I am showing you the app. I have already downloaded it previously, and here you need to wait a couple of seconds, and here in the Visual Studio Code, after that you can simply create a new file. For example, if you create on the file, then you have to create on the new file here, or the new text file. You can simply click on it, and here the new project will run. So that's how you can easily download your Visual Studio Code, as I showed you how you will get that file in the browser. And then after downloading you can also change the theme as well, because after downloading in the first time they will ask for which theme you are going to choose. That's up to you. And then you can simply click on the file option from here. There you can simply click on the new text file, and here you can easily start your project or code. So that's how you can easily use your Visual Studio Code. Thank you very much for watching this video.